Ole ole. When to pizza kan lo ay do na mo hey. Pasta. Seafood pasta kan cha. Carbonara bong san lo da de cha in. Hey hi. Bacon salad and tiamom. Chuanin kan pasta hi a half in an siam thei ta ni chu. Chuanin jo le hianin seafood ania ke in bong sa khana chan ve in. Kan trong trai le lo kang ole bai house of nata hang ter pe ko dan tu ra hian man min song se Krista kan ha bazara amen. Kan e bob pang om.
I thought they were going to send us the glass bottles of Coke, but they didn't.
I thought so too. Chuanin hei olive hi kan cha mo hei hi kan tel bok nga chan jola sun dried tomato siam kha kan tel bok nga chuanin hei hi combo ni ta mo chuanin combo khan surprise gift lo chom hei an tim pui dor chu Texas pizza nia. You want sauce?
No.
You don't want sauce? Chili's like, okay. I'll have sauce. Sauce. I make Italian style chili pickle, this one. No oil. I saw one Italian guy making it, so let me try.
Probably not as good as at the restaurant because it comes fresh out of the oven there.
Of course. Yes, olive.
Oh yeah, good idea.
I didn't cut it. You want your sun-dried?
Yeah. We tried this once before and it was a flop bun. Well,
Pizza mana kan ka flop mukbang ka kan lau ti khamom. Tu na chan flop to lo nge tu ra ngai.
So this time will be a success. Let me make sure, see if this is carbonara. I don't know. It's got a. Oh. I think that's spaghetti bolognese.
Bolognese it is. It's not carbonara. Did I say carbonara?
I thought it was supposed to be marinara, but
That's what I ordered, marinara. But they gave us something else.
I don't know if we should complain about that.
Hey mom, can Coca pizza, bacon salad. Hey there, Coca-Cola panihim. 399. How much is that in Indian rupees?
So you can call it 400. Just oh, it's quite a bit actually.
Sáng khẩn dần dạng vel này chung. Was only fair. Good. Nothing much to have. I can give you the pasta noodles. Let's say.
I can just eat it this time.
Ito ka nga biktop kan sa swal anti swal lang. How are you?
Oh, good.
You want more sun-dried?
These ones are perfect.
Not too salty, yeah. It's amazing. Hey, tiang ah, temo chang thop nen de khan han eu lang. Kan non da to ka video. Asiam da ni aling kak lo dang.
Give me some sun-dried tomatoes.
Sure.
Oh, so tasty.
There's
I think
olive.
we should have jumped on the pizza as soon as it got here.
There's olive.
It's kind of the cheese is solidified.
Still yum.
Sun-dried tomatoes have a little bit of a vinegar taste. Muy guapo.
It's good. I do it.
Pretty top.
I give you salad. They just put the bacon on top, so it's okay.
Not much cooking in this one, baby. Yeah, looks good, this salad.
It is.
Nice and fresh. I'm going to use a vinegar dressing. Oh, generous. Usually when you're eating your pizza, you love a Coke.
Pizza ka iyan, coke ka chocolate za mo ka intak.
We never drink Coke, otherwise.
Fizzy drinks, shim kan in lao ni chu. Sprite te, Coca-Cola te, ba mo ma se pizza I jang kan in chen.
It's a really yummy salad, actually. I might have some of that pasta. You finished it?
No. Yeah.
Kalau may butte.
Che pole even I'll mix it here.
Yeah, whatever.
Bom ta kan on.
Pretty good meal, maybe.
There's a towel on top of the bucket.
We've run out of 7. No more tissues. Tissues on well.
Tissue paper kan le
Maybe
ha.
was just using them all like one time. I said, hey, you want to save them for later?
Nasa burger.
Yeah. She's crazy about tissues. I don't know. She's just tissues.
I hardly use tissue. It's you. It's you. It's you.
I'm a big tissue fan. I'm all about the tissue. I had a big workout this morning in the gym,
Good job.
and then I get up, make breakfast for baby.
Tonight, mom is very romantic. Breakfast in bed. Kuma mom. Tui tok menon bezia. Very romantic.
She gets bread with avocado, butterfruit on bread. She loves it very much. It's under our eating out budget of 500k, but
What? This one?
this meal package.
Spoon.
Yeah, that spoon might be good. You don't have one? There's two, isn't there?
I'll have it after you have finished. Chuan Olive hi mo hay online vela in cha reng reng hian pitted 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 right
Pitted.
chang chi kha lei ro amu hin pai sa mo a hlok bi amu pai lo kha chu jam vak lo thank you
Yeah.
ok no
You want water?
no should have fork. Hay chúng mo ơi xong tục mà cha cái malu lấy xem tuy chân ven thun nga vinegar chân ven thun nga chín tel nga mar chain đã tập nga à tuy tục à sẽ sel hay tel lâu
She tries to restrict my intake of the olives, slow me down. Otherwise, I gug.
cá khata cái gì thum ấy rồi vắt thầy you can finish 3 kilos in 1 week.
Yeah, no worries. It's not expensive. We must get a good import rate. They must have a good rate for the importing of these olives.
Bacon hit the bacon is so good,
Yeah, I
right?
thought you might like that bacon.
Even you ate some.
No, you forced it down my throat.
I didn't.
Yeah, maybe when we go there, we'll have to order that one. I think the pizza there is, eating it there is much the better option. The cheese is just dripping.
I'm gonna eat more. Hey, oven trong ăn lọc thở châu nè. Cheese được không? Phán đua đua.
Yeah,
Thế phán đua đua.
yeah, fun one.
Ole ole hôm nay.
Ole, ole! Guess what time it is? Shout out horn!
Shout out hơn. Hello, in shout out.
Shout out horn. Oh, Don for cái Don.
Con kênh cũng vào cái đó. Very rảnh thế. Oh, we have 17 people. Backpacker and family. Limnimi, dreams of unicorns. Boy, Conrad Kopari. Conrad, you remember Conrad from the United States? And he's going to represent his school in wrestling.
Oh.
Dickinson Middle School.
Oh.
He's good in wrestling.
Go Conrad.
He's
Kick
a good
some
wrestler.
ass.
Go, Conrad, go. Sang Ipatuao. Mama 1, 2, 3. Siantea. Nikki 56D, the 11. Feli_Renclave. Catherine Valentine Tàu Chong. Angie Marveng Louis. Shazet Kenufa Chuang Pui. Zonuni Zamuang Conveng. Carol. Edrusa, New Zealand Mika. Bye. Oh,
Bye-bye. Oh.
she's 9 years old and she's from New Zealand and she said they watch our videos, our eating videos, and the mother is from Bongkon. Bongkon is like if you go to Ramlun South, Ramlun North, and next is Bongkon. So your
Which
mother's
direction?
to the east.
Bazaar?
No, not the bazaar side.
Oh, the other way. Oh.
You go to the east side from Ramlun South to Ramlun North, right?
I do.
And then after Ramlun North, it's Bongkon.
Well, I was probably walking there one time.
Yeah, not one time. We go for a walk several times.
Oh,
You have a picture as well, Bongkon.
most likely.
Maybe it's heavy traffic.
Lots of traffic around that area,
Yeah.
actually. Yeah.
ยายทานด้วยที่สายแล้ว
Duarte Saba.
มีร้อยแต่
Mimi Rolte, she's every time.
and her husband Ankyo Joy
And Kyo Joy. Oh, full of joy.
วันนี้ก็ติดช่วงกันชาเราถ่ายกันในเนี้ยกันหมดเลยฟังไงตัวนั้นจะต้องตัวกับวิดีโอให้เบบี้อัพโหลดซุ่มเฮียอันหนัวมาเอดิตวัดหรอไม่หันยามอนก็ติดตัวดังชิมเนี่ยสีเหล่ากัน
Needs to hire an editor, this one.
There are so many things to do. I've already cleaned the house and we have eaten food, so nothing much to do. Probably we have to go to the market to get my partner, my betel leaves. Oh yeah, cái mùa lễ vật đồ này, oh, in the vai chung à gan lom tree nữa tụi ba, bye mất luôn.
Bye bye, Vecco.
Bye Vec Uo.
Yeah.
Say bye Vec Uo.
Bye bye, Vecco. Oh.